Are you tired of opening your closet and feeling like everything is about to fall on you? If your wardrobe is overflowing, messy, and impossible to navigate, don't worry. Today, I'm showing you brilliant space-saving hacks that will transform even the tiniest closet into a perfectly organized dream. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss more smart home hacks. A well-organized closet doesn't just save space, it saves time, reduces stress, and makes your daily routine smoother. With the right techniques, even small wardrobes can hold more than you imagine. This guide focuses on simple, affordable, and beginner-friendly hacks that maximize vertical space, improve accessibility, and make your closet clutter-free without spending a fortune. Hack number 1. Declutter smartly, the foundation of closet space. Before adding organizers, shelves, or storage solutions, you must start with a proper declutter. Remove everything from your closet, lay it out, and sort into categories: keep, donate, toss, and seasonal. Use the wear test rule. If you haven't worn something in 6 to 12 months, it's time to let it go. Decluttering instantly gives you room to work with and prevents your closet from becoming overcrowded again. This step sets the tone for a truly optimized wardrobe. Hack number 2. Categorize and group your clothing for easy access. Instead of hanging everything randomly, group items based on type, frequency of use, and season. Keep your everyday essentials at eye level: shirts, pants, and workwear. Farther up or down, store things like coats, vacation wear, or special occasion outfits. This method prevents digging through your closet and keeps everything visible, eliminating the stress of searching. Hack number 3. Use slim, matching hangers for extra space. One of the simplest yet most effective hacks is switching to slim velvet hangers. They prevent slipping and save a surprising amount of width compared to bulky plastic or wooden hangers. Matching hangers create visual uniformity, making your closet look instantly cleaner and bigger. You'll be amazed at how much space you gain just from this one switch. Hack number 4. Double hanging rods. Double your storage instantly. If your closet has only one rod, you're missing out on major space potential. Install a second hanging rod below your existing one to create 2 levels for shirts, skirts, and pants. This hack instantly doubles hanging space without remodeling, and it keeps clothes perfectly organized by length and category. Hack number 5. Shelf dividers. Stop piles from collapsing. Closet shelves often turn into overflowing piles of sweaters and jeans. Use acrylic shelf dividers to keep these stacks neat and prevent them from toppling over. Shelf dividers also help separate categories like knits, bags, and scarves, making your closet feel structured and easy to navigate. Hack number 6. Use vertical space before horizontal space. Most closets have unused vertical room above the top shelf. Add stackable bins, cubbies, or lightweight baskets to store blankets, handbags, or off-season clothes. This prevents clutter at eye level and frees up space for items you use daily. You're not adding more things. You're simply giving everything a proper place to live. Hack number 7. Door space equals a hidden storage goldmine. The inside of your closet door is one of the most overlooked areas. Hack number 13. Store seasonal clothes strategically. Swap clothes as seasons change. Use vacuum seal bags, top shelf storage, or underbed containers for items you won't use for months. Keeping only season-appropriate clothes accessible prevents overcrowding and brings instant breathing room to your closet. With these brilliant hacks, even the smallest closet can become a highly functional and neatly organized space. Remember to stay consistent. Organization is a routine, not a one-time task. If you enjoyed these tips, like the video, subscribe for more home hacks, and share this with someone who needs a closet makeover today. Click here to join our free community. https://school.com/thebigsweep 7698 about Ref AA 474B 45A8284AFF 959D8B6FE5F74BC. We offer informative articles, ideas, friendship, and much, much more.